Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right after cleansing. Do not wait. Once your skin is dry, perform a quick patch test on the inner wrist and wait 24 hours to confirm no reaction. If clear, dispense 2-3 drops of Dr. Rashel Vitamin C serum onto fingertips. Gently press and spread the serum from the center of the face outward, covering cheeks, forehead, nose, and neck. Make sure to use light upward motions so the product absorbs instead of rubbing it off. Once applied, give the serum time to settle. If you prefer, apply the serum to slightly damp skin or follow immediately with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration and absorption. Wait about 60 to 90 seconds so the serum binds to skin. This prevents pilling when you layer. Make sure to avoid the eyelid area and any broken or irritated skin. If you use active treatments like retinol at night, alternate nights, or consult time, finish by sealing in the serum with a lightweight moisturizer. In the morning, always follow with sunscreen SPF 30 or higher to protect vitamin C's effects. Use the serum 3 to 5 times per week and increase frequency slowly as your skin tolerates it. Store the bottle away from heat and light to preserve potency. If you experience redness or burning, stop immediately, rinse with cool water, and repatch test or dilute with moisturizer before reintroducing. Consult a professional if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.